Okay, I'm not sure if this is recording or not. It probably is by now. Yeah, it is. I have to move this so that the people don't think it's garbage, which I thought it was. It's a pitch back for my brother. I'm gonna put it under the tree. Is that safe? I don't know. I'm just gonna put it here. Maybe I'll get struck by lightning. That'd be really interesting. Okay, well, yeah. Oh, the street lights are on, because that's how dark it is. Oh my gosh, it's pouring. My car's getting lost. Ready? Ready? It's raining all over. I'm just going to stand here in the rain. Videotape myself in the rain. I just got soaked. Yeah, that was a little treat. Me and my boxers outside in the rain because it's like 2 o'clock and I still haven't changed water bottle.